just want to show here how easy it is to make money at trading. All you need to have is the right knowledge, which obviously needs to be based upon mathematics, which needs to be figured out. And once you figure out the math and you start applying the math and you start taking the math and you start taking the trades, this is what happens. And it's really not very difficult at all when you start winning trades over and over again. You don't need to worry about psychology or anything else. All these things they talk about trading and making money. You just need to learn the math of the trades, which is what I teach, and then you can easily do what you see me doing. Anyway, I'll be back and show the outcome of these trades today. Okay, I've got another 5 contracts on the YM, purchased another 5. Just taking it for a quick 50 ticks here with 10 contracts. Getting out at $5.99 and $600. You can see it right down here. Real easy stuff. Just going to learn how to place your orders and know the math, which I will teach you, and take the trades. That's all it is to it. And you could be making very good money. Anybody could be out there, could be making really good money. They just know what to do. It's really not very difficult. Okay, YM is getting close here to getting me out at $5.99 and $600. Got right here $5.99 and $600, 5 contracts each, which will make 10 contracts. And then I've got the NQ. It's getting fairly close. I get out at 9:20. It's at 9:03.
Order partially filled.
Okay, here it goes.
Order filled. Order partially filled.
Okay, I'm out. So I made a total of 4,108 on the YM. Let's switch over to the NQ. It is getting fairly close. Okay. So there's my exit, sell limit at 9:20. It's at 9:11 now. So not too far away, and I'm going to be getting out here. So basically, trading is, you know, a lot of people say a lot of things about trading. Here's what I'll say about it. It's nowhere near as hard as everyone thinks it is. What is hard is to find the mathematics behind the trades. I've already done that for you. So you've got me to give you the math. All you got to do is trade the math, like you see me doing right now. That's it. That's all you got to do. That's the hard part's been done for you. And I will find even more math. So in the future here, very near future, let's say 2-3 months from now or something, I'll come up with even more math. I've got to go find it, but you know, I'm experienced at it, really good at it, so I can find it. And that's all you need is the math behind the trades, and then you can take successful trades like this very easily. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, the NQ just got me partially out. I still have 1 contract to go here. So I still needed to pop back up there again. It's no big deal. It should do it, no problem. It went to 9:22. But I'm going to get out as soon as it hits. It's got to hit back up there again. It shot up really fast and came back down. That's why it didn't fill me completely. Anyway, it'll make it up there. I'll come back when it does. Okay, it just got me out there. Alright, so both orders are now complete. So as you can see, I got in, I took a trade, I knew exactly where to get out at, successful. I can do this over and over and over again, and so can you. All you got to do is purchase my course, and I will give you the mathematics to be able to do what you see me doing. What I mean is an exact trade that you can take every day, over and over again. Okay, so I'm done for today, and I'll be back to show you the trades every day, and you will see how easy it is to trade. You know, AI's coming. Everybody needs to learn how to trade. It's just that simple. Learn how to trade, or you're not going to make enough money. So that's basically the bottom line. Everybody needs to learn how to trade, and it's not difficult like people think it is. It's only difficult if you don't know what you're doing and you don't have the math behind you. Yeah, then it's going to be nearly impossible. But if you've got the math, which I do, then it's quite easy. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow and every day and show you how powerful my system is. Happy trading.